Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription on Astroline. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
To cancel your Astroline subscription, you must visit the Astroline Terminate page and there, provide your registered email address. Now hit the Cancel Subscription button and follow the steps as prompted to terminate the service. Once you follow the instructions and fill out the form, your subscription will automatically terminate. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel Astroline subscription through Google. On your Android device, head to Google Play. In your respective Google Play account, go to your subscriptions section. Look for the Astroline subscription among all your active subscriptions. Select the Cancel Subscription option. Follow up as directed and your subscription will be cancelled. And you are done. Method 3. Cancel Astroline through Apple. Head to the Settings app of your Apple device. Tap on your name at the top of the screen. Now, tap on the Subscriptions option and select your Astroline subscription. You will find the Cancel Subscription option, tap on it. Follow up as directed and your subscription to Astroline services shall be terminated. And you are done. Method 4. Cancel Astroline subscription via email. Users can also send an email to Astroline to terminate their service. Open the email application in your device and compose an email. Write down request to cancel Astroline subscription in the subject box. Give details of your account, subscription, billing information and the other details that they may require to terminate the service. When you have already composed the email, send it to astroline.app@appdesk.zendesk.com. They will get back to you regarding your request and will help you accordingly. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method, you can easily cancel your Astroline subscription. If you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.